Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change or customize the alarm ringtone in this device. So first of all, go to the clock application. So here I am going to create an alarm. For this, tap on the plus button. Then here you can see this time is 8:44. So here I am going to just say change the time to 8:45 a.m. Tap on OK. After create the alarm, you can see the one ringtone icon. You can see here if you tap on this one. So here you can see lots of inbuilt ringtone, and from here you can select any one from here. So simply the ringtone is default. You can see this is the ringtone. So here I am going to change to this one. Okay, now go back. Now you can see the ringtone is changed. Now just wait for a few seconds. The alarm will ring, then you can hear the sound. Okay, just wait for a few seconds. Yeah, now you can see the alarm is ringing and the ringtone is also changed. Snooze this one, you can snooze, otherwise you can stop this one. So if you want to customize, that means if you want to set a ringtone that you download the device, then again tap on the ringtone button. Then here you can see the option add new, tap on this one. Then from here you need to select the file where you download your mp3 file, and from here you need to select this one. So here I am going to select this one. Yeah, now I select this one. You can see the ringtone is came here. Now go back. Now you can see the ringtone is changed. So simply in this way you can change or customize the alarm ringtone in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.